Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one. 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 Fendi for Fendi for Fendi, Fendi peach one.
So I found this at Aldi's for $4.49. I forget the original price, but yeah. So we're currently putting it together, and it has catnip. Yes, ma'am. So here we are, got it together. I'm just gonna add some clear tape to make sure it doesn't come apart. I thought it was gonna be smaller, but it's bigger. That's a plus. It fits a regular adult cat. Yes, ma'am. Now to put on the roof. You gotta take it out in little annoying pieces. There, so finish putting a little tape at the top and at the bottom. Dang it. I lost it, y'all. I hate when it happens. Wait, I think I found it. You don't have to put your tape on here, but I chose to because I don't like being wasteful, and I really don't want the daddy cat to tear it up. I want it to last a good while, so I'm just putting tape on mine. So all the corners meet. Let's go get the pretty kitty. You think she'll come to you?
Mm-hmm.
We'll go get her. So she won't scratch up our couch. And I want to put it on the floor. Oh, I need to pick up all these little pieces. All these little pieces. And here she comes. Here she comes. Get in there, mama. Put her on the floor so she won't think to get on the couch. Get in there. You're in there. All these little pieces. You like it? Girl, we didn't bring you in the house to, you getting big, mama. We gotta get you back fat. Where you going? Cause ain't nobody finna be searching for you. You wanna? Stop playing with me. Get your butt back in there. My camera's blurry, but anyway, there she is. There she is. Bye, y'all.